back, my YouTube friends and family, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one requires absolutely no college degree. The company is Upstart. They have 314 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. And I'm going to try a little bit different format in this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you like the new format or if you prefer the old format. The older format, I would kind of just share the job lead and read down the requirements and the job description and things like that. But I'm going to try to make it a little bit quicker and condensed by summarizing it instead of reading word for word. So let me know which format you prefer better, the old one or the new one. But Upstart is hiring a dealer implementation specialist. This is going to be remote throughout the United States. Now, as a dealer implementation specialist on their auto retail team, you're going to help create a smooth onboarding experience for their new dealerships coming on board. This role is going to require strong project management skills and a guiding presence to assist the customers or the new dealers through the process of getting onboarded through Upstart. This is going to be an exciting opportunity to join a fast-growing team to help shape its future. Now, this position is available in remote locations in the United States. They don't have any state restrictions. They do have an anticipated salary range of $76,000 a year all the way up to $105,000 a year. Of course, pay is going to be dependent on things like location and experience, but this team does operate on the East and West Coast time zones and requires regular on-site collaboration sessions, travel expenses. Those few times a year you are required to travel on site will be covered by Upstart. But in this role, you're going to onboard new dealership customers, partner with the sales and dealer success on new launches, facilitate their user training, and ensure successful project wrap-up, keeping the stakeholders informed. So you're going to be doing all of that new dealership documentation, making sure their goals, timelines, and requirements are up to date. Now, the ideal candidate for this position will have 1 to 3 years of software as a service or software as a solution implementation experience. You'll be focused on project management, so you'll have some project management skills and you'll have to be able to multitask managing multiple projects at the same time. Now, outside of the pay, Upstart offers competitive compensation like medical, dental, vision, 401k with a company match. They also offer an employee stock purchase plan, generous PTO leave programs, wellness and technology reimbursements, and different social activities. So if you're a team player with strong communication skills and a passion for problem solving, this one might be the perfect work from home opportunity for you. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget to let me know if you enjoyed this new format or you prefer the old one. Give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.